As we know, there are many species of fish out there in the ocean, and through evolution, many of them have developed specialized weapons allowing them to not only hunt for food, but also to avoid predation. Although fish don't naturally hunt humans, we do sometimes get caught on the receiving end, and unfortunately, the fish we're talking about today can deliver a deadly blow, regardless of whether you're a child or a full-grown adult. So let's take a closer look at the world's most venomous fish and how to avoid getting wrecked by one. Stonefish are part of the Scorpaenidae family, which if you think about it is only 2 letters away from the Scorpionidae family, aka scorpions. So it shouldn't be of a surprise that both of them are equipped with a deadly sting which you probably shouldn't mess around with. Stonefish got their name from the fact that they look like a stone, but also the fact that they can turn you into one. They are closely related to the lionfish, which is considered one of the most invasive marine fish in the world. This again is due to their specialization in venom and the fact that most fish wouldn't even dare touch them with a 10-foot pole, except maybe this guy. Now, if you're feeling extra adventurous, here's where you'll find them. Stonefish are typically found in the coastal regions of the Indo-Pacific region, including the waters of Australia, Southeast Asia, and the Pacific Islands. They inhabit shallow waters such as the coral reef, the rocky coastlines, tidal pools, and are known to hide amongst rocks and corals. Appearance-wise, they grow to around 40 centimeters and well, they kind of look like a rock covered in orange or green algae, blending themselves in perfectly with their surroundings. On their dorsal fin contains 13 venomous spines, which in fact they don't use to hunt for prey. Rather, they prefer to use their camouflage to wait for an ambush opportunity. Their powerful jaws and large mouth can create so much pressure that they can easily suck in any unsuspecting prey and swallow it whole. But let's see what makes them so deadly to us humans. Each of their venomous spines contain 2 venom sacs which are filled with a protein-based toxin called verrucotoxin, known to cause intense pain, muscular paralysis, breathing difficulties, and if left untreated, can even result in death. So it might be obvious by now, but is the stonefish actually dangerous to humans? Well, the answer is maybe. I say this because if you do see a stonefish, you'll probably be fine as long as you don't go and touch it. It's the ones that we don't see that are the most dangerous. You see, stonefish don't actually want to hurt us. In fact, they probably don't want anything to do with us. But humans are clumsy and we sometimes accidentally step onto them. So here are some tips on how not to get killed by a stonefish. Tip number 1, don't step on one. But I get it, it's not easy, especially when this death rock looks like every other rock out there. And you may be thinking, well, I'll just stay out of the water. Oh no, these guys can survive on land for up to 24 hours. So here's where step 2 comes in handy. Wear shoes with a hard sole. Nope, I don't mean one of these. You want to wear something which their spine cannot penetrate. And lastly, instead of walking or taking steps, try shuffling your feet across the ground as you move. This should prevent you from accidentally stepping on them. But in the unfortunate event that you still get stung by one, it's important to remain calm and to seek medical attention immediately. And whilst their sting can be deadly, it is extremely rare for someone to actually die from one. Now, we can all agree that the stonefish looks pretty weird, and if you want to see another type of weird fish, you may just want to check out my other video on the world's flattest fish.